And welcome sa isa namang house tour, and my name is Lester. Sa araw na to, we'll show you a very beautiful property dito sa Sentrina Calamba. And what you're seeing now is ang ating Alexandria model, and we're very excited to show you this. So tara, pasok tayo. So as you can see, this is a very modern design, and yung harapan niya is very spacious pa rin. If you intend to put extensions here, then definitely you can do a lot here. And as you can see there, yung ating carport, which is also, I think you can fit up to 2 cars if you want to. So, pero what I wanted to highlight is yung ating very modern and luxurious na feel ng bahay. So, pasok tayo. This one is isa sa ating dressed up unit, and we'll show you what you can do with this design, with this house. So, ayan. Pasok kayo. First up, you'll see dito, you can put your living area. And with this much space, then you can definitely put malaking dining area. It's up to you if you wanted to cover this, or even this part here, merong sliding door where you can extend an area for a garden, or even if you extend the house, then pwede din siya. Sa area naman na to, there's an extra room, which in this case, this is designed to be an office, pero you can do whatever you want. Pwedeng game room, pwedeng cinema room, pwedeng a private room na if you want to use for your family. So definitely, it's very flexible, and it's something na you can add to the functions ng ating bahay. And dito naman, you'll see another room. So this looks like an office. Pero again, this could be storage room, this could be a pantry area, since tabi naman siya ng ating kitchen. You can do whatever you want. Ngayon, here's our kitchen. As you can see, it's one long straight tabletop, countertop. Pero I'm thinking even this, pwedeng dito ka maglagay ng countertop. So it's up to you. This is built in, so sa turnover, and then all these spaces you can use for your shelves and for your cabinets. So yun. And sa part na to is yung ating toilet and bowl. So tara naman sa taas, pakita ko naman sa inyo yung taas natin. So ayan, you'll see the stairs. It's wooden, tapos yung steel yung rails niya. This is standard size, pero I think yung style niya na hindi lang straight is very efficient sa space, which is good kasi if you look up, there's actually another floor na papakita ko sa inyo later on, which is yung attic. Pero ngayon, let's look at the rooms first. So, dito ngayon tayo sa hallway ng bahay. And there's different ways or different routes where you can go. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 rooms here. Nahin natin dito sa right side. This could be a guest room. This could be your kids' room as well. Pero ayan, very spacious siya. You can fit one huge cabinet, or even build your own shelvings here. Tapos, this would be a single bed, and you still have enough space for study table or any other items na gusto nating ilagay. This one, may plug dito, so most probably you can put in maybe a computer table, especially now these days na online learning ang ating mga bata. Let's look at the next room. The decision is up to you if you want to do for kids, depending on the family members that you have. Pero definitely, this is another big room for another kid. This one's a little girly, but of course, it will be something that you'll decide on depending on the design that you wanted. And of course, it should fit under the table or displays, and then shelving is very, very important, or mga cabinets natin. Storage is key. Napaka-importante yan sa ating mga bahay. Of course, you have your, as I mentioned earlier, ito yung toilet and bowl. So there's one sa baba, and here's another one. Itong part na to, parin natin to. Let's save the best for last. Ito yung isa sa feature nitong Alexandria na talagang I really like, kasi there's an attic. Pero before that, I want to show you the other rooms. So this will be our master bedroom. As you can see, it's a lot bigger than the first 2 rooms. This will be a queen size bed, and it still fits almost like a whole living area. And you have a long sofa, you have your table, study table, or even a home office. Pwede rin dyan. Here comes one of the best part. You still have the biggest toilet and bowl in the whole house. So as you can see, this is the most spacious, and it has a good view then. You can see outside. So just fitting to be the master bedroom, diba? Ayun. So last but not the least, of course, what I mentioned, I'll show you the attic. Oh, before that, sorry. You know, you can see a secret door here. There's it's actually your balcony. So ito, medyo luma na ito, nasira na yung swing dito. Pero this one is actually yung sa taas ng carport. So if you decide to extend, and there's still a space here, so talagang malaki pa siya. Malaki na yung bahay, but there's still a lot of room for improvement. And ayan, just a nice feature if you're bonding with your friends, your families, na gusto nyo medyo outdoor yung setting. So you can do barbecue, you can do and just inuman, diba? Chit-chatting, and just a good place for bonding. So ayan, let's save the best for last. And this is your attic. To be honest, if I own a house like this will be my most favorite part. And as you can see, mababa yung ceiling niya kasi this is almost reaching the rooftop. But as you can see, there's a huge space here for pretty much anything that you wanted. I'd say if I own this house, I'll put a cinema room dito, or where you can do videoke, or just plain family bonding if you want to do it internally. It's a huge space, and as you can see, you can fit this much furniture at marami pa rin siyang spaces sa gitna. So I definitely love this part of the house, and you can even fit a whole dining table. Just imagine that. So, and this is just the attic, the third floor of the whole house. So ayun, chill muna tayo. So I hope you learn a lot about this property, and kung gusto niyo siya, definitely you can easily reach out to us. Just check on the description box below. We have a form there where you can fill out, tapos you can give us your information, what you need, and your inquiry. You can also get in touch with us directly sa aming mga social media, and my Viber phone number is there as well. So this is Alexandria. That's it for this house tour. If you want to know more, feel free to give us a comment on the comment section below. So once again, thank you for watching. My name is Lester, and see you sa ating next house tour. Bye bye.